Hey everybody, Mark on the road here. I'm at a unique sculpture just outside of Las Vegas. Takes about 35 minutes to get here. And as you can see, we're just out in the middle of nowhere. It's probably a couple hours just after sunrise, and we're going to take you to this unique sculpture. And there it is. It's called Seven Rocks. Pretty interesting. We'll break away from the sunlight here and get behind the shadows. This is really interesting. I'm not going to say much. I'll just let the pictures do all the talking. There you go. You can do one of them 360s. We're doing a photo shoot over here. This rock looks like pure silver. Then if you come here on the very last or first rock, depending on which way you come in, throw a rock up there for good luck. Time to make our way out. It's a pretty unique experience and sculpture. A lot of people out here taking pictures, and I think that's going to do it. And on that note, Mark saying, see you on the road.